Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by importing your footage and locating the exact moment to magnify. Tap the clip, move the playhead, and trim so you work on a focused section. This saves time and avoids redoing edits. Once done, zoom the timeline for precision. Make sure frames align with the action. You're setting up context so the magnified area feels intentional, not accidental. This preparation gives you clean handles for smooth scale and position changes later in the process. Now you add keyframes to create the magnification effect. Put a keyframe at the start with normal scale and position. Move forward a short duration, add a second keyframe, then raise scale to about 150% and nudge position so the subject stays centered. Use easing or curve handles so the transition accelerates and decelerates naturally. You do this because hard jumps look jarring. Smooth keyframe interpolation keeps motion organic. Preview, then tweak. Finish by refining the motion and visual emphasis. Play the clip and watch for drift. If the subject moves, add intermediate keyframes or slightly adjust position values so the framing stays natural. Once satisfied, consider a subtle vignette or slight sharpen to draw attention. Use restraint. When exporting, pick the original resolution and frame rate to avoid quality loss. If things go wrong, reopen the keyframe graph and correct any accidental extra keyframes. That single stray.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.